Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 million signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Friday, time to track down what's going on the financial market, the major currency pairs, of course, and one of my favorite days during the week, because the weekend is coming, as you already know. So as usual, we start with Euro US dollar. We're having a very dynamic week actually on the Euro and GBP. That's why you're supposed to be a little bit more cautious, simply because it's very unpredictable. Both currency pairs are very unpredictable. So we got yesterday quick recap about the economic calendar, core durable goods orders in US and new home sales in US. Read the last speech of Mario Draghi for the ECB. They kept the same interest rate as before, and the euro was very volatile. Wednesday we got very positive crude oil inventories, which actually pushed the crude oil according to our direction as we expected. So let's take a look quickly what's going on with the majors and crude oil. So let's see, do we have any potential opportunities today? Euro US dollar in front of us. So we see the euro right now is trying to recover this very big upward movement, 280 pips, and right now it's declining with 65-70 pips down. It stayed below the support zone, which is the support line, which is resistance line right now, 1.1116, and I'm expecting further decline to the downside. And today, why not testing the next support, 1.1028, which is 60-70 pips below the current price. Just again, I'm gonna repeat myself, when you trade euro and GBP, it's not about not to trade it, it's about to trade it with cautious, to be a little bit more tight in your risk management. GBP US started the retracement, started the recovery that we are talking about since the last couple of days. As you can see, it seems like found the top, and right now it's looking to drop even further down, 1.2580, 1.25 round number. It's going to be a logical level to see Great British Pound to test. So 31st October is coming. They're talking about delaying the Brexit. So new elections in UK December. So let's see what's gonna happen. On almost daily basis we have new information about UK and Brexit, and so simply every day we see GBP is going up or down very significantly. So exactly the same situation like the Euro GBP. If you're gonna trade GBP, just be careful. I am bearish for now. Australian US dollar tested the resistance zone 0.69, 0.6862 between these two boundaries, and quite obviously started going down, and it was a very good opportunity for a short. We spoke about it Wednesday and Monday, I think, on the videos, that we expect drop after the price find like a top, and we see strong momentum to the downside, bearish momentum, and this is what obviously is happening. Right now it's recovering a little bit up, but it closed below the support level 0.6829, which is our resistance level right now, and we can see further decline to the downside once the London session opens. New Zealand US, similar situation with the Australian. We saw yesterday strong sell-off of the New Zealand dollar compared to the previous, of course, days, and we expect simply test of 0.6348. As you can see, the big picture is completely down, the trend is down, slight correction is here, and now we expect continuation to the downside, and why not testing 0.63 round number, 75 pips away from the current price. USD CAD, let's take a look quickly. The crude oil, we spoke about 54.82 as entry level, and of course breakout and confirmation of the upward trend to reach 60. We also we discussed this big range of crude oil between 60s and 50s, 50.60. We have very strong support level. The price tested a couple of times, as you can see, 3 times, and 4 times didn't manage to test, and going up, decline and breakout of 54.82. Now we can see similar decline of the crude oil. It's quite possible correction, and after that continuation from 54.82. My long-term target is 60, and definitely the crude oil right now is very interesting for trading. And as we spoke, also in relation with USD Canadian breakout, if we see crude oil breaking out the resistance 54.80, we simply gonna see breakout to the downside of the USD CAD, which quite obviously happened. So right now with USD Canadian, it's quite normal to see correction to the upside and then continuation to the downside in order to test 1.30. It's absolutely possible. I think we're gonna reach 1.30, but it's not good. I wouldn't say it's a good idea to get entered right now. USD Swiss. So one of my favorites. What's going on? As you can see, 0.9842 is going up. It's simply correcting this big drop of the USD Swiss. Whoever took this short here, it was a very simple trade and correction. So we definitely can see further drop to the downside. I'm totally bearish on the USD Swiss franc parity level. We're still staying below the parity level. Not gonna be surprised if we see 0.9946. 0.99 is round number, staying right between these two support and resistance lines. So just I'm not gonna consider opening any short trades on USD Swiss today, but next week probably we're gonna have very good entries. And USD Japanese still waiting to for the drop. Still I wouldn't say ranging. It's stalling around the resistance zone. 109 round number, 108.50 is our support, 109 our resistance. It seems it's finding some stronger support than usual, but definitely I think we're gonna see very strong sell-off of the USD Japanese. Totally bearish. I'm looking for short opportunities on the USD Japanese for sure. I'm gonna take short on the USD Japanese, guys. And just again, I'm saying we are. The price is finding right now very strong support line, so I'm not going to be surprised if we see 109 and above. So it's absolutely okay. It could be even a false breakout above 109. Just be careful before you take the trades, but definitely I think it's going to be a very good opportunity to the downside. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, shares and likes on the social medias. Thumbs up if you like the video, comments below. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Enjoy the weekend, have some party, because next week is gonna be very interesting. Bye bye.